In question number 12, you are given a picture of a graph. In fact, the picture happens to be a straight line, which is why it's sometimes called a linear function. I want you to make sure that you're getting that terminology. So you have a picture of a linear function, and what you're being asked to find from the picture is what f of 0 is equal to. So you're not actually being given a rule, like they didn't say f of x equals 2x plus 3, find f of 0. You weren't given what f of x was equal to, you were given a graphical interpretation of what the function looked like and asked to evaluate the function at a specific value from the picture. So let me show you how to do that. If you come with me to the graph, alright, let's look. Here is the picture of our linear function. Now what we're being asked to do is to find f of 0. Now, first of all, let's make sure you're reading it correctly. F of 0. F is the name of the function, and you can see the picture of that function graphed above. You definitely know that it's a function because it passes the vertical line test. We're asked to take the number 0, which is what kind of value? An x value, and plug it into the function and see what we come out with for a y value. So one of the best ways to do this, okay, keep in mind that the number you're putting into the function is always an x value. So in this particular case, 0 is an x value. So what I want us to do, I want us to walk up to the graph, okay? Walk with me. If I put my pen right here on the x-axis, this would be 0 on the x-axis. And the reason I'm starting there is because 0 is the x value I'm interested in. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to start my walk where x is 0, and I'm going to walk up to the line. In this case, that's the graph we're looking at. And look where it takes me to. It takes me up here to this point. If I were actually to write out that point as an ordered pair, that would be the ordered pair 0, 4. Alright? So the reason I started on the x-axis at 0 is because we were finding f of 0. I walked up to the graph. The ordered pair that I'm now standing on is actually the ordered pair 0, 4. That helps us answer our question. F of 0 is equal to 4. And the reason is, when I put 0 into the function, what y value does it pair itself with? 4. And the reason it does is because 0, 4 is a point on the graph. Okay. So basically what you do there is you locate the x you locate the x value you're starting with. You start your walk on the x-axis, you walk up to the graph you're looking at, and whatever y value you find by walking there is the answer to the question.